Alright folks, buckle up because DJI just dropped something that will flip your vlogging game upside down. Literally. Meet the DJI Flip, the all-in-one vlog camera drone that's about to make your Instagram reels look like they were directed by Spielberg. This tiny beast weighs less than an apple. Yeah, you heard me. 249 grams. It's compact, foldable, and has full propeller guards. Safety first, even for clumsy flyers like me. And don't worry, it's beginner-proof. With 31 minutes of flight time, 48 megapixel photos, and 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, it's like having a flying cinema in your pocket. But wait, there's more. The DJI Flip packs a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, supports 10-bit D-Log-M, and even filters out propeller noise for crystal-clear audio. Oh, and it flies on voice commands. Just say, "Hey fly," and boom, instant aerial selfies. 6 shooting modes, AI subject tracking, and master shots for automatic pro-level edits. No more excuses for boring content. Plus, hyperlapse and panorama modes are here to give your videos that extra oomph. So, what's the damage? Starting at just $439, the DJI Flip is the ultimate content creator's sidekick. Want the Fly More combo? That's $779. But hey, can you really put a price on drone-assisted fame? Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your content, and let me know in the comments where you'd take the DJI Flip for its first flight.